Okay, so hello everyone. So once again, I am trying to invest more in my cooking here. Okay, and I believe measuring cups are very important in cooking. Okay, because whenever you are trying to learn as a beginner, okay, and you are trying to take uh, you are trying to take instructions from recipes. Okay, so recipes always mentioned in 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon, right? 1 cup, half cup, something like that. So that is why this is something I have ordered from Amazon. These are measuring cups. Okay, and I think these will be helpful for me. So in this video I am going to unbox them for you, and I am going to show them, and mainly, and I will use them in my future videos, in my future cooking videos as well. Okay, so let me just open this one. I think I can just tear it. Okay, let's try to tear it. Okay, so these are basically measuring cups here. They are tied together, so let me show you. So these are how the measuring cups looks like. Okay, so we have this hook here. See, as you can see the hook, and these are the measuring cups I have available. Okay, now if you try to see here, see, wait, let me show you. See, this is full 1 cup. Okay, and you can see it's written here as well. I don't know if you can see or not. uh, I don't think you can see, but here 1 cup is written. Okay, so 1 cup, then this blue color one is half cup. Okay, 1/3 cup, 1/4 cup. Okay, and this purple one is 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon. Then this pink one is 1 teaspoon. Okay, this one is 1.5 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, and this one 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, I guess this one is needed somewhere as well. I don't know, when I will cook I will know more, but this is how it looks like. And see, it is how cute it is. It is very cute, right? So this is basically what we have available, and you can use them like this. Just see, like this, and you can use, this will become your 1.5 teaspoon, or you can use them together as well. Okay, I don't think you need to use them separately. See, like this and this. I think I can remove this label from here. Label is not needed. And then there is this clip as well. That is something I can remove as well. Should I keep them separately or should I keep them together? I think I should keep them separate, right? Or is there a hook to keep them together and separate at the same time? First of all, let me use the knife to cut this one here. Basically I am cutting these small wires here. I think I should keep them separately. Okay, I don't know if I can. Okay, I can. I think this is a clip. Yes, see, this is a clip. So this is a clip, and from the clip, if you need something, so you can pull it out. See, like this. For example, if I need this cup, so I can use this like this. Okay, and then I can attach them back as well. So this is a clip. I am very bad at recording it, but see, this is the clip, and from this clip you can bring them out, or you can then put them back as well. This one you can put them back as well, like this. Okay, so this is what you can do. I think this is fine, and then you can clip this back as well, like this. Okay, So yes, this is a good one, I think, and you can just hang it anywhere you want, and you can use whatever you need. Okay, I think as a beginner these measuring cups will help me a lot, and then as I will keep learning, then I will have my own instincts for better measurements. Okay, but I think as a beginner I will definitely need them. Okay, and yes, that is why I ordered them. So I hope I can continue my learning with these different tools which I have available now, and I hope I would be able to become a good cook. Okay, yes. So that is, yeah, this is the video. These are the measuring cups. When I will use them in later videos, then you will understand them. Then you will be able to see them how I'm using it. But for now, this is the measuring cups. Okay, yes, so thank you. That is one more update, small update in my life, that I'm going to use them for my cooking. Okay, so okay then, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next video. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.